This chair is called as Air. This is one of the most technologically advanced chair that is available in the world. First, it has got a Korean mesh. Now, this headrest is again adjustable. One. If somebody has a cervical or a back problem, this chair is specially made for them. Reason, all your mechanisms are at your finger level. You don't have to go down. This is your gas lift. Pull it, you can adjust the height. Pull it, adjust the height. This is your any point locking mechanism. This is free. Lock. Everything is at your fingertips. Unlock. Bring the height down, height down. So all the features are here. Armrest, left, right. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Now this chair has a special feature. This chair comes with a forward tilt. Normally what happens when you are working on a chair and you are working on a computer, there is a gap between your back and your seat chair. Now this chair has this forward tilt mechanism. I will make it forward tilt now. Now what happens? Even when I am working, you can see the chair has tilted itself forward. See the benefit is when I am working and working on the computer, then also the chair is supporting me. So this is called as a forward tilt mechanism. It is totally along with you while you are working. Forward tilt. So normally a chair looks like this, then it is straight, but because of this forward tilt mechanism, this is the posture of the chair when you need to. You have this lumbar support which is adjustable to your requirement. So it will adjust as per your seat. This chair also has a great feature of seat depth adjustment. Here is a seat depth adjustment. You can increase the depth of the seat to your requirement like this. So even the seat depth is adjusted. Lock it at any position. Lock it at any position. Korean mesh on the back, Korean mesh on the seat, all the features in the arm, headrest adjustable, lumbar support adjustable, seat depth adjustable, height adjustable, any point locking,